Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was born on the third floor of this delightful-looking townhouse in the heart of Salzburg's old town. Yet a central location and the convenience of living above a supermarket did not compensate for the cramped living conditions inside. So in 1773, the 17-year-old protégé and his family moved into this building on Marktplatz. The premises were suitably larger, but the parking restrictions were an absolute nightmare. Salzburg has always revered its most famous son. It named this central square after him and has placed permanent tributes to the musician across the city, including this traditional statue and this not-so-traditional one. Markus Lüpertz's homage to Mozart portrays the composer with a trademark ponytail and a female torso. No less abstract but easier to decipher is Marina Abramovich's own tribute to Mozart. A 15-metre-high stool at the heart of her installation comments on Salzburg's eternal pedestal placing of the virtuoso. For the millions of tourists who visit the city every year and wish to take a Mozart memento home with them, Salzburg doesn't disappoint. If something can bear the composer's face on it, then it is almost certain it will be for sale somewhere in the city. The tourist's favourite purchase, however, appears to be these Mozart chocolate balls. They are sold all over the city in stores like this one, and this one, and this one, and this. So popular and prolific is this confectionery, if one was to throw a chocolate ball in any direction anywhere in the city, it would no doubt land within 5 metres of a shop selling them. This store was either up for such a challenge or didn't have a licence to sell chocolate, as its window display was made up of an array of balls. At first I thought they were Christmas baubles, but no, they were just rubber balls. Or maybe they were eggs where these Mozart rubber duckies hatched from, also very popular with tourists and available to buy across the city. But why buy something that vaguely resembles the great composer when one can smell like him instead? Amadeus for the ladies and Mozart for the men can only be bought in Salzburg. Going by the rather potent aroma of the Cologne version, it's surprising no one thought to call it the Magic Brute.